The most common problem when using older versions of LedEdit is class not registered error. This occurs when there are no libraries such as Adobe Flash and DirectX which are responsible for the graphics in our program. This method will probably work on Windows 7 and 8. If you have Windows 10 and it is updated, you will not be able to use Flash. In this case, install Windows 7 as virtual machine. You will find a link to the drivers in the video description. After downloading, extract the zip archive and install both files. Voila, LedEdit works without any problem.